Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Wednesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, daily chart, and we've made, well, I can't even say very little progress since yesterday. We've made no progress at all. The bands continue to tighten up. We're currently trading at 62. The bulls made a run at it yesterday. They just about made it back to the upper Bollinger Band. They traded as high as 74. I mentioned in the chat room they had 4 hours and 40 minutes after they had really taken advantage of the tape to go and do a new all-time high, and I think that would have probably sent the bears, they would have been headed for the hills, and it would have been some upside expansion. Couldn't get it done. They did 74, and it slipped all the way back to 22.59.5. You can see here on the hourly, they had them. They sold that rally, pushed it down. They couldn't hold the 67.5 either. Couldn't hold the weekly pivot, and now we're back. So what are we doing now? We have been fighting all night over weekly pivot. 59.5 continues to be excellent support. 67.5 continues to be an area that may get traded above for a while, but they can't convert it. They can't turn it into that next floor. What the bulls need 22.67.5 to act like 22.59.5. And the fact that it can't is a problem for the long side. Now, the bears. Bears have problems of their own. The bears can't convert weekly pivot. The bears can't convert 22.67 for themselves. Okay, they look like they want to for a while, and then they go and give it up, either for a day, 3 hours. It's not consistently holding in price. 59.5 has emerged as an incredibly important level on the board, and the bears are having great difficulty converting it. If they can, just below it at around 58 is the daily midband, which the bears have had essentially. We can hop back over to the daily chart here, and I'll tighten this up. It's the green line here. They lost it, they got it back, but then it's been support. If the bears are going to eventually win this compression battle, they're going to have to convert that daily midband, and then they're really going to have to push off of it. The hard part is, just like when the bulls got to 77, 74, if they can get down to the lower band here, down at 40, they're going to have something left after that. Otherwise, we're going to play ping pong between the bands. Now, that's not necessarily a bad thing. That's 35 handles of ping pong. That's I'll play that game. That's fine. So just understand that if the bears do get a nice push over the next couple of days, when they do get down into the lower band, if it starts to stall out, you have to start thinking that that band is at least going to hold maybe for another lower high and then down. But you have to look at it and say to yourself, okay, maybe we're just going to play in between the bands here. Just something to keep in mind. All right, that's all I've got. Follow us on Twitter at Princeton Trader. Come check out our website, Princetontrader.com, and come take a free trial in our chat room. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade 'em well, everybody.